like a relay race. When I run up in the spot, bitches know they place. Slide on a nigga, I'ma need my skates. Social distance, I'ma need my space. I done did it, I won with it. I made peace with my...
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Spice. This video is going to be a flip over Fulani braid tutorial. I'm going to show you guys every step from start to finish on how to achieve this trending look. Like, it's so cute. You know, we had to do our own twist and add the bohemian strands in and do the deep curly ends. And I also went ahead and changed the part at the top. So yeah, this is a voiceover video. If you do not want to hear my voice, if you don't care about what I have to say, and everything leading up to me braiding, click on the description and look at one of the timestamps. Goodbye. Okay, so anyway, this hair literally took me out. This style stressed me out. I was gonna give up in like on day 2 when I had the top done. Well, when the top wasn't done, but you know, Bae was like, you know, you're not gonna give up. You can do it. You got this. So another 24 hours later, it's done, and I love it. As far as doing this style over, I don't know. We're just gonna have to keep it in as long as possible so I can get all my uses out of it and all my wears. Okay, guys. But yeah. Let's go into the tutorial. If you guys can't already tell by my hair, this is a hair video. So in this video, I'm gonna be doing those Fulani braids, the ones that have been trending. Honestly, I think they qualify as Fulani because it's like braided in the front, but it has like the triangle braids, and then you take these piece of braids and then flip it to this side, flip it to that side. Like, it's kind of like a versatile look. So that has been trending lately. So I'm gonna do a step-by-step video and show you guys how to achieve the look. I'm getting ready to go to the hair store right now to pick up some braiding hair, but I also got one of my old wigs and like cut the hair off the tracks because I wanted like a bohemian type of braids, you know, the ones with the pieces of hair sticking out and then it's like curly at the bottom. So I'm gonna try to use that weave hair, the human hair, to achieve that portion of the look. So fingers crossed I have enough. It goes well, it looks right, and it matches. But yeah, I'm gonna just head over to Beauty Master right now and get a braiding hair and some shine and jam. So let's go. So I usually get FreeTress hair because it has the most bundles in it for the less amount of money. But I want to do a mixture. So I'm gonna do red, and then I'm thinking of brown or brown. So I went ahead and picked up these two, and I'm just mixing them together. I'm back home. If you hear dogs barking in the back, that's my dogs. So this is the hair that I took out from my old wig that I'm gonna be adding to the braids. I just separated it by length so it could be like easier to manage. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash the FreeTress braiding hair that I picked up. I got colors T530 and then number 27. I love me a number 27. I can't lie. Like, let me go wash this out. This is the method I most commonly use, where I hold one strand out and then bring the other strand in as I braid. So you can see I'm holding one end of the piece of hair with my mouth, and then I'm continuing the braid for like 2 braids down, and then I'm going to go ahead and let that strand go and add it into the braid. Make sure you hold the top of the braid as tight as possible as you're braiding down, so it can stay looking neat and it won't get that like loose, sloppy look. So make sure you keep your fingers as close to the top. So this is how I added the human hair to the end of the braid to make the ends curly. I actually used the second method of adding hair in when I braid. I just took the whole strand of the hair and added it to the back of the braid and then continued braiding. Here it goes again in slow motion so you can catch what I did and where I actually placed the hair. I'm pretty sure everyone's familiar with this method to end the braid, but you're just going to take a small piece of hair out of the braid and knot that around your braid so that it stops the braid, basically. Do that about 3 or 4 times just to make sure it's secure. Also, I have another tip. Always make sure you trim the flyaways on your braids after you do it. Even if you do use gel, it makes it look a lot neater. For cornrows, my technique is a bit different. I do take a small piece of hair at the front of the braid and start to braid it individually on its own as if it would be a box braid, just to get that nice tight distinction. And then I'm going to go ahead and use method 1 like I did in the beginning, with adding the 1 strand at a time, because I feel like with cornrows this makes it look the neatest.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, gave my piece. Push P. Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace. Got spotted across the back. Get the peace. Drop the data, now we black. Inside the piece. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push P. Push P. I'm capital P, I write the president, count president. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze, then she leave, cause she took the P. Private suite,
crisscross braid gave me so much trouble, and I forgot to record the first part, but I got it for the second part of the braid. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna wanna part it into 4 sections and make the 2 parts in the front smaller than the ones in the back, because the 2 in the front, you're gonna wanna treat those kind of like a box braid situation. And then once you sort of kind of box braid the sections in the front, you're going to braid it down a little bit, and then you're going to drag it into the braid that's across from it. So of course you would start the second part on the other side, and then you're going to add that little kind of sort of box braid into that cornrow of a braid. So then it can have a nice clear distinction that these are crisscross braids. That's how I got this masterpiece. If you made it this far, clearly you're feeling your girl, and I'm feeling you too. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next week Sunday. Later. Here. I need to redo my hair. This color just all over the place. This is horrible. It's pimp. They fighting with that dog on the fence, in the fence. This hairstyle, this one, this is a voiceover video. If you do not want to hear my voice, look in the description and click on the timestamp on where you want to go. And I'll catch you guys next